In this video, I'm going to show you how to use status updates in Asana. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Asana account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the exact project in which you want to add a status update to. Let's say I want to go to my website redesign. Now I have an example task in here, and I want to add a specific field for a status. What you could do actually is on the top in the right hand side, we could do is add fields, and then we could add a specific field for status. Now, for each status, we could do a single select or a multi-select. A single select is always better for status. Now we could type an option name. Now an option would be, let's say, ongoing, review. Let's change this to in progress, actually. Then done. We could also change the colors so that done is actually green. Then if we click on create field, we will actually see the specific status column in here. Now let's say on these tasks here, I want to add the in progress. And for task 1, I want to add done. If we go to our board view, you will actually see the status right here. Let's say, oh, this is in progress. So let's say it will stick to planning. Now let's say that this task is done. Could actually go to testing instead of launch, then label this as for approval. And that's about it. That's how to use status updates in Asana. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.